Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by turning on Bluetooth and mobile data on the host device. You need both active. Once done, make the host discoverable for pairing and make sure the client device's Bluetooth is scanning. Pair the two devices now, accept the PIN prompt on both sides. You do this because Bluetooth tethering uses a paired personal area network. Pairing establishes the secure link the phones will share. Keep devices within 1 to 2 meters while you complete these steps. Now you enable Bluetooth tethering on the host device. Go to Hotspot and Tethering and flip the Bluetooth tethering switch. Next, on the client device, open the paired device details and choose the option to use the device for internet or connect via PAN. Wait for the PAN profile to establish. You'll see an IP address assigned on the client. This is essential because Bluetooth tethering routes traffic over the PAN interface, so the client must obtain an IP to send packets through the host's mobile data. Finish by testing a web page or ping. If pages load, you're done. If not, first toggle Bluetooth tethering off and on, then disconnect and repair. This resets the PAN. If problems persist, restart both devices. Make sure the host's mobile data is actually transmitting, and temporarily disable VPNs because they can block tethering routes. Finally, check for carrier restrictions or APN issues. If the carrier blocks tethering, Bluetooth tethering will not work until they allow it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.